Boss man. Right there.
Yeah,
Bless up. Yes, sir. Hey man, gotta help the poor man. A true experience for So you're gonna get mango, sorrel. What else you wanna get? Five finger fruit.
Yeah, maybe some.
Yeah. Yeah. When you come on, party flatty.
You're laughing me?
No, no, no.
You're calling to the boys?
No laughing on. You want some mango?
Which one?
The nice one. Yes, please. Ty, how much you want? 10 mango, please.
Sumani non le ho salve. Oh, di mani.
How much for me?
Auntie just hustled you, you know. He doesn't even know.
She hustled me?
Yeah.
How she hustled
You
me?
don't even know.
How she-
Anyways, give her 1,000. Correct, yeah. That's fine.
Auntie, is that coconut oil there? How much for it? Big bottle.
Yes, 18.
1800?
Yes, 15. 4. Yes, 7.
When I say no problem.
I'm going to buy some myself.
Oh, you're buying.
Guy, milk, I said.
Yes.
Alright, let me get the 1800 one, please. This one. 1,000. Thanks.
Some nice tea with a little clove, a little cinnamon.
You wanna make it today?
You just put them on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you soak it a little bit in warm water, you go.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks, yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
You good? How you selling them? Pass that. Let me get a pound, please.
I could look. I know I could look in. Text me ready.
We need some orange juice.
Yeah, there's an orange one.
Got my green mango.